A lot of epilepsy is actually not genetic. It tends to be cryptogenic, which means we don't know why people are having seizures. I think a big misconception is people think epilepsy, it has to be inherited, it's passed down from families, but that's not always. There are certain epilepsy syndromes that do tend to be genetic, however, but the vast majority, like I said, are cryptogenic, or they can even be acquired, which means they are something that happens due to an insult to the brain, like a brain injury, a stroke, or tumor, things like that. This is a little hard to read, but it is a list of the genetic generalized epilepsies. So in childhood, you'll have childhood absence epilepsy, juvenile absence epilepsy, juvenile myoclonic epilepsy, epilepsy with generalized tonic-clonic seizures that come with fevers or come alone. And then you also have genetic epilepsies that come with cognitive delay, which is developmental and epileptic encephalopathy. These include epilepsy with myoclonic atonic seizures, which is also called epilepsy with eyelid myoclonia, which is Javon's, epilepsy with myoclonic absences. That one is basically myoclonic epilepsy, but you also have seizures. And then lastly, you have myoclonic epilepsy in infancy, which is seizures that come with or without fevers as an infant. Some are very specific, such as the mutation that is contributory to Dravet, that's called the SN1A mutation. Ultimately, there are a variety of genetic panels. There's single gene mutation panels, there's whole exome sequencing, they all test for different things. The best way to evaluate for this is to speak with the genetic counselor and see what the best panel for you is.